Guys, as you know, my name is Simran Salman. Today I will tell you the story about the monkey and the crocodile. Once upon a time, in the middle of the forest, there was a river. In the river, there lived an old crocodile. He was not able to hunt anymore because he was weak. One day he was hungry. "Oh, it is very difficult to hunt on land now," he said. Then he sat under a tree. A monkey saw the crocodile and asked, "Why are you so sad, crocodile? Take some apples, they are very tasty." "Thank you, dear monkey. Can you please give me these apples every day?" "Okay, crocodile," he said. And the monkey gave the crocodile some apples, and the crocodile ate the apples every day. One day he thought to eat the monkey's heart, so he thought an idea. He asked the monkey that, "My friend, I want to meet you." The monkey was very happy and he said, "Yes, I will be very happy to meet you." He sat on the crocodile's back, but when they were in the center of the river, he told the monkey that, "I want to eat your heart, and now I will eat your heart." The monkey thought of a plan. He said, "The crocodile, but I forgot my heart on the tree." So the crocodile said that, "Go and take your heart and give it to me." The monkey said that, "What a foolish crocodile you are! How you can take the heart from the body, and I gave you so sweet apples, but now I will never give you those apples. Now you are not my friend now," he said. The crocodile was very hungry and realized his mistake. So the moral of the story is one should think thoughtfully before taking any action. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icons of the channel. Allah Hafiz. Share this video to your partners and friends. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.